What's up? I got some good news. I'm now monetized.
What? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
And in less than 24 hours, and I know the trick to do exactly that. And I'm going to teach you guys, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to get monetized in 24 hours. I won't hide anything. I'm going to show you guys every single thing. I'm telling you, everyone can use this simple trick and get monetized. Worst in this time when, you know, we got this epidemic going on where it's going crazy, and, you know, a lot of persons are not at YouTube to really work and do the work and everything. And as you know, to get monetized, you have to have a human who's going to go on your channel and check your channel to make sure that you're following the YouTube guidelines and so forth. And not to stray from the point, but this channel, as I started this channel just 3 months back. So I started this channel 3 months ago, and it's now monetized. It has the 4,000 watch time and more, and it also has a whole bunch of views.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And that's because I use the right tags in my videos and everything, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get that monetization button working on your channel in less than 24 hours. So let's get into it. First of all, I'm assuming that you guys have a AdSense account already, so you can actually link it to your YouTube channel. Alright, so I'm assuming you got one already. So once you got your AdSense account ready and you have went through the procedure where you actually request to get monetized by YouTube, then basically all you're gonna do in this regard is you're gonna go to YouTube. First of all, you're gonna go to your analytics. We're gonna go to analytics. So now we're on our analytics. We got 6,900 watch hour. We got 2,385 subscribers. So,
Yeah, boy.
So that means you are actually eligible. You're at the monetization process now, where you're waiting on YouTube for them to give you the go ahead to add advertisement to your videos, or to turn on that monetization button. And we're gonna go straight down to send feedback right here. Once you go to send feedback, this is where you're gonna contact YouTube, and you know, you're gonna send them a nice professional letter, and then this is how they are going to monetize your channel. So first of all, I've pre-wrote a message, and I'll let you guys see exactly what I wrote. But now you're gonna write them, and this is what I wrote. Dear support, I have recently reached the threshold to be eligible for monetization. I know things at YouTube is very difficult presently, as we fight against the spread of coronavirus. However, if there's any information required of me regarding my channel, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks much, stay safe.
Oh my God! Wow!
And then you're gonna send it. Once you send it to them, in less than 24 hours, they're gonna audit your channel now. So they're gonna look at your channel, see that you're following the guidelines, you're following everything that they ask of you guys to follow. And in less than 24 hours, you're gonna get a letter looking like this. Congratulations, your YouTube channel Music and Royalties Explained has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. And they give you a whole lot of information here just on how to get started, just in case you don't know how to get started. So any questions, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. Anything you think that I might have missed out on, that you may need information or you would like me to clarify on, please feel free to leave all your questions in the comment section.